Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're gonna be working on the TrailBlazer, and we're gonna be installing these Auxito reverse lights. They are the 3157 slash 3156. I guess it fits those two bulb size, and they are white. So this is what we have on here right now. They are kind of bright. See that right there. And we're gonna make them brighter with these bulbs. So I'm gonna open them up for you guys. I already pulled them out. You can see we got the plastic thing. So there's two bulbs. Comes with this and the other bulb. So right here you can see you have two Phillips screw, and we're gonna remove those. And the whole assembly comes out. So you could go ahead and unplug it from back here. And it's just, you press the tab, pull it out. And then you have to get to these screws right here. So there's one there, and one here. The whole thing comes out. So you can see the one that we have on there. I think these are from like AutoZone. So we're gonna plug this in here. Then we're gonna plug this onto the TrailBlazer, and we'll have to make sure that it works. If not, we'll have to pull it back out and flip the bulb, but it does work. So okay. I'm gonna put this back on here. Before we pull that side out, I actually want to show you guys. So you see how bright it is now. This is still the old bulb. Show you right here. See all this, and then the old one. Big difference from the old bulbs to these new ones. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you guys want to order some LED light bulbs from this company or on the website, I'll leave the link down below. And also you can use our coupon code, which is YONKE, YONKE, and you'll get a 15% off. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at YONKE_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.